Well, back out in the hills again. It's been 2 weeks, but it seems a lot longer. So today we've got some unfinished business. So we're doing Dreish and Mayar in that order. Because last time we came to do Mayar and Dreish and we couldn't get further on the summit of Mayar because we couldn't see a thing. So this time we're doing it the other way around. We're coming up the changeable path, which we've been walking for about 40 minutes. And we're going to head up toward Dreish first, way up there. And then over the top of it, over the summit, to Mayar. And then we're going to do our descend back through Corrie, which will be nice because we love Corrie. So I'll see you soon when we get through this wee forest. Everyone's got a Rona. So, we're on a big long walkway now. That's where we last videoed from, down at that wee forest. Now going up this, it winds away further up and then away around the back. And then we'll be on our way to the summit. Quite a long walk for the climb, but it's been good, hasn't it, again? And feel wee bits of rain.
Yeah, I can feel drizzle.
But I think it should be alright. Hopefully we'll not get a foggy summit the same as we did the last time. Better no. We need to do it a third time.
Exactly.
Another wee bit of progress. Haven't stopped to take a jumper off again. It's on and off and on and off. So we've got that wee path just to finish. And head along that wee ridge and up to there, and that'll be number 1 done, and then back down and we'll be behind all that rock, and that'll be number 2 done that we've already done.
I know, this will be our first doubler.
Well, Ben Glass.
Oh yeah.
I have to come back to it.
Yeah.
So nearly there. It'll stay nice. There'll be no clouds at the top. So another wee bit of progress made. Came for that hill away across there in the distance, in Dreish, and we're now a good way up onto Mayar, going up that way. Wee bit of rain there, but then it got alright. It was lovely. Made a wee detour off the path because Dawn needed a wee wee.
Woo woo.
And I had to find her a rock because I'm a rock picker, so this was a rock for peeing behind.
The best bathroom with a view I've ever had.
And it was just a wee wee, it wasn't a job. Sun's out over there. The big crags. Somebody go back down Corriefee. Corriefee!
Corriefee.
Corriefee, Corriefee, Corriefee.
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 You're spreading, let me steer you. Now let me steer you while you shoot.
There she is, Dawn's at the summit of Mayar. This is our second time up here.
But this time we can see.
Aye, first time we could see a thing. But it's cleared for us. And we can see for miles and miles. Miles and miles. So that's 2 summits a day. Oh look, you can actually get a video of the cairn at the summit and the other summit we've done behind it.
Nice.
It's a doubler. So on our way down off the Mayar, coming into Corriefee, big waterfall down there. Dawn's standing there, she's been tangled. She's got a big orange hanging off her back. That's her turtle shell.
Michelangelo, he was always my favourite. He's a devil.
A bit rainy but still gorgeous. Beautiful wee quarry this. The waterfall and then a big one further down. So coming near the end of the journey but still got a wee bit to go. Well, the end of our unfinished business. Dreish and Mayar, way up over there somewhere. Dreish and Mayar are way up there. And Corriefee, beautiful place.